Good evening, students. On the last class already we have discussed about the charge, and today I want to carry on with the electric field and electric field intensity. Electric field and electric field intensity. What is that electric field? It is the region around a charged body or a point charge. Either it will be the charged body or a point charge in which its influences can be realized by a test charge is called the electric field. Suppose if I am telling you, if one charge is kept here, plus charge is kept here, plus Q charge is kept here, and around this charge or the charged body, around this charge, and we will be finding one region, that is the three-dimensional region. We will be finding one region or the space around this charge within which if any other charge will be coming into this region, if another charge Q0 is coming into this region, automatically either it will be attracted or it will be repelled. If the plus Q charge is kept here and another charge is plus, repulsion will be there. If the plus Q and if it is minus Q, so automatically attraction will be there. So whatever may be the force, either it will be the attraction or repulsion, the force will be experienced on the charge body, whichever is kept in that region. This particular region is called the electric field. This region is called the electric field. The another part is electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity means the strength of the electric field. What will be the strength at a particular point in that region, that is called the electric field intensity. The electric field intensity at a point inside the electric field is the force experienced by a unit positive test charge placing at that point. So I am using the word a unit positive test charge placing at that point. Suppose plus Q charge is here. It is creating the electric field. It is creating the electric field, and within that electric field I am keeping another charge, that is the Q0. So force will be experienced on it. The per unit charge, the force whatever will be experienced per unit charge is called the electric field intensities. If F is the force experienced, if F equal to force experienced on charge Q0, then force per unit charge, that is F by Q0, is called, that is the force per unit charge, that is equal to electric field intensity, is E. The E equal to F upon Q0. So electric field intensity equal to electric field intensity equal to E equal to F upon Q0. So what will be the unit? So SI unit is, इसका SI unit you are finding here, that is Newton per Coulomb, and it is a vector quantity. Electric field intensity is a vector quantity. Clear? All of you clear, students? Electric field intensity matlab actually it is that is the force whatever is acting on the charge particle per unit charge. Total charge force experience is the force per unit charge equal to F by Q0. That is the electric field intensity at a particular point in the electric field.